Let's get this game even more started. Alright, don't forget Psalm chapter 128 verse 1. It says, "Blessed are those who walk upon the Lord and walk within their wicked ways." That's all. And Proverbs chapter 16 verse 28. Gospel's choice of friendship. And don't forget Philip. Whoa, what the fuck? Kylie Alcantara, what are you doing? Well, I'm gonna... No, never mind, it's just simple enough. That's just so simple for Stephanie to make a move. What about you? What? Oh, sweet. I'm really gonna get you now. Baby, go, mommy. Go, big sis. Let's get Robbie and his stupid people. Well, since we are citizens of God, our citizenship is in heaven, while theirs, our citizenship is in hell, because they always sabotage us. Oh, praise God, it's not me. Yay! We got 2 stars. Yay! I'm happy. Yay. Too bad that didn't even get me. You didn't even get me that time. Well, let's get to it. I got a plan. Nope, I'm not gonna use that for now. Big! Thank goodness. Yay, now I can steal money. But from who? This way! What? What the heck, sayang? If only I can call President Duterte para reverse na namin. Pero di bale, okay lang yun. As I was saying, here's another Bible verse for you. Proverbs Acts chapter 27 verse 30. I encourage you to eat. 33 or 34. I encourage you to eat. You need to eat in order to survive. And don't forget Matthew chapter 28 verse 43. It says, well, I trust in the Lord, so therefore he helps. What? Yo! Jeremy, what are you doing, bro? Okie dokie. At least I was able to get something. Next game, everybody! Now let's go play some minigames. Just hope the minigame will be an easy one. Seriously, snowboarding? That's what I love to play. Let's go! Tara na, mga squatter, di ba naman yung balag mo, mga putang ina. Hoy, gago! Bilisan mo kasi, time-tado ka. Ano ba yan si Shao? Shanti kasi! Tado! Gago! Kaya na-stuck up na tuloy ako sa snowman. Putang ina, time-tado. Hoy, gago! May tao! Bilisan nyo na! Tumuhid ka na dyan! Magpunta ka na kung saan-saan. Mga bobo, mga gago, mga ebal. Hoy, Shanti, mauna na ako, mapusit ka. Tandaan mo ha, huwag mong punta sa finish line. Yun! Banana ako, bitch! Yay! Well, I'm really gonna beat you more. Come on, Rappy. Let's get this party started. Goodbye, Rappies. At least Team Daisy will win now. No, they will not. Next turn, everybody. Okay, folks. Now here's some more Bible verse I want to tell you. Psalm chapter 141, verse 1. It says, "I cried aloud to the Lord and mourned to him for help. Answer the Lord whenever I'm in distress." And verse 4 says, "Don't let your heart be drawn to do the bad stuff, only the good stuff." Well, let your heart be drawn to do the bad stuff, because that's what I want. And don't forget 1 Thessalonians chapter 1, verse 6. We are never imitators of Christ. So therefore, we are all imitators of Christ. So therefore, we must do everything what Christ says. But we're not doing it. Let's not do it anyway. Well, we gotta show cruelty because of disloyalty against Trump. Because Trump is never a Christian. He does not even support us. Wow! Nice one, Lexi. I know you took the same just like me. Yeah, I love the warp hole. The warp hole was very good. Okay, take it away. Oh, Princess Alian, yung balak mo. Bobo ka. Hoy, gago! Same lang? Ano yun? Yay, we're safe. What? Lord, that's just the same. How the fucking hell did they do that? Fine, I'm just gonna use my vampire candy so I can remove one candy anyway. Even though JM does not have that much coins yet, but I can steal from the vault, like Kai and Rain, Colette and Fiam. Just hoping that I get 10 pesos. 10! Yes! Salamat sa Diyos! Eh kaso lang si Kai kinuha niya ng 30 pesos kanina. Kasi nga, we all have 10 coins. Hanep! Oops. Hanep! Rafi, nasan yung pair mo? Hay, nako, doon ako sa pula. Puta, ingat, tantado. Kuwenta naman yan. Mga epal, mga gago, puta, ingat talaga, ayoko yan. Bilisan mo na! Hay, nako, whatever I can do now. Okay, let's recite more verses. Don't forget Proverbs chapter 23, verse 22. Let's be considerate to your parents. It's time for a battle minigame. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wow! Perfect! It's time for a battle minigame. I'll gather up coins from each player, and the winner will keep the lion's share. Okay, pitch in your coins, everyone. Magkano dapat yung bayad? Bigay mo na yung 10 pesos. Eh, kaso wala si JM. Wala si JM ng premyo. 33 lang? Nag-cheap out lang kayo. Now, which minigame will decide for who gets these coins? Sana yung mas madali! Madali. Ay, nako! Yoko to! Puta! Ina mo! Bwah! Good luck to the players. Hope they can do their best and win this game. Who's gonna get blown up first? Hope it's not me! And that's not me! O ano na, Kai? Kai, ko rin yung parang mo, kanyung epa dyan, kaya mo. Uy, gago! Safe. You're on, Naomi Hart Ramos. My turn. Just hope I don't get blasted. Wog, Lord, wog. Who's safe? Thank God. Joseph, just do your thing. Safe na naman. Who's safe naman kayong lahat eh. What? Mark my words. If we know the callings were still safe, that means I'm the first one out. Yes! Salamat sa Panginoon! One of these three wars is a safe one. I wonder which is it. I'll try the middle kaya. Wish me luck. Lord, please, Lord. Sa wakas, nawagi tuloy mo. Magwawagi na ako, mga puwisit kayo. O, ninya, nasan ka na? Lumipat ka na, mabuisit ka! Puta! Ino mo! Last but not least, I'm so sorry for you, bro. I'm so sorry for you, Kuya Ken-chan. And the winner is... Yeah! I'm the winner! Yay! Congrats! Wow! We have a victor! I'll dole out the coins based on the results. Baby, lose. So unfair! We lost! Honey, it's because you guys are the stupidest people here on planet Earth. Anyway, let's see what will Kai do. Simone, what's your plan? Okay. Whoa. Because of the Lord's reason. Wisdom comes from God, who will right your protection wherever you go. That's Proverbs chapter 2, verse 6. And don't forget, Matthew chapter 4, verse 10. It says, let the Satan rule. Be gone, Satan. Be gone. Worship the Lord, your only God, and serve him daily. A man shall not live on bread alone unless he observes the mouth of God. word of God. That's in Matthew chapter 4, verse 4. Acts chapter 14, verse 32. Sacrifice your think. Whoa! Nice! Who's that? It's Mikael Daes! Yay! Wahey! Uy, galing! Galing naman ni Lexi! Nawagan niya si Mikael o si Emil Sumangil. That's right! Yay! Thank you, Sporticus! You saved the day! Yeah, that's right, because Sporticus is now part of the family. Well, I think I've done my job. I gotta go now. Da 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 da. Whoa, that's nice. That's so generous of that Emil Sumangil. He gives us a star. So the rule is... Oh no, what do I do now? Oh, that's easy. I get a new plan. Ay, nako, ano ba naman yan? Peke naman yung die. Puro maliit na numero na lang. Hindi ako mawawahiyan. Puta niya. Patrick! Galing! Pang-jestam tayo dyan, ha? Galing mo talaga, Patrick. Galatians chapter 4, 3 verse 10. Whatever does that abide. What in the name of Jesus? Oh, mga gago, mga epal, mga buisit, nagtado, lahat kayo gusto mo magsakay ng roller coaster ride. Hoy! Si Kai! Wag ako! Hoy, gago! Puta inga mo! Gago ka talaga, President Duterte, salbahe ka! Tanda mo yung ginawa mo, lahat yung ginawa mo masama. Magwawagi ako yan, puta inga mo. Wah! At dahil dyan, magwagi na ako. Dahil lahat yung mga squad ni Rapi. Never mind. Let's just relax in a minute. Yes! Hanep! Six turns! Next one, we're on a roll. Next game, everybody! Gwahahahaha! Don't forget Psalm chapter 107 verse 1. It says, give thanks to the Lord for His good and His love endures forever. Hey! Ano ba yan, Ninya? Papatayin kita! Wala akong bakit sa inyo! Putay mo! Eh, magwawagi na ako! Putay mo! Kunin yung balak mo, yun na yan! O, tiyo mo, si Ayasin, papatayin na kaya, mga boka! Hoy, gago, ang layo! Ang layo na pinuntan niya! Yay! We're going to win! Team Peach win! Yay! Not funny. I have a plan to do something. Just wait and see, bitch! Ready or not? If you can give me the big numbers, that's good. Give me! Ah, that'll never yield me that far. Because I Domingo got 19. She went very far. So therefore, I got no choice. But at least I'm still safe and sound in that area. Unless they were to find me. That's great. What the heck? Why is that? Tainga mo? Ang Ang nana na yan, kontrabida, pinatingin niya mo ako. Puta niya. And I forgot to mention Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5. Trust in the Lord at all times and put your hearts in the one only refuge. Whoa! Galing! Galing naman ni Brent, o ni JM, o ni who's this? Jeremy G. 8 plus 8. Baby. 8 plus 8. That means tayo'y mag-8-8. 8-8. 8-8. Mag-8-8 na. Mag-8-8. 8-8. Mag-8. Come on, baby Mark. Tayo'y mag-8-8. 8-8. 8-8. Mag-8-8 na. Mag-8-8. 8-8. Mag-8-8 pa. Yay! Wow, galing naman talaga ni Brit. Ay, matulog lang tayo. Huwag na tayo maglaro. Gawin mo 8-8 para magising na tayo lahat. Matulog lang tayo muna. Huwag na tayo maglaro. Yay! Perfect! That's so easy. I'll just report to you now the new Bible verse. Don't forget Matthew chapter 19 verse 10. If your big roots will leave, it's not right flesh. What the hell, Kai? What do you think you're doing now? Nice! What the? Wow, lapit na yan ha. Lapit na yan, Kate Valdez. Kung pindutin mo na yan, i-verse na namin. Hi! Salamat! Tinapon mo talaga yung bukhaw na candy mo. Dahil walang kwenta, yun yung gusto ko. Dahil what you want is, ang mga blue candies ay mga taas sa tao. I need to say that, iipon ko yung mga bukhaw na candy kung galian namin. Uy, galing naman talaga ni Selena Griffin. But at least I still got a plan. Yes! Magwawagi na! Uy, gago! Tartado, alam ko na yan! Tartado! Ay, nako. Sige, ito na lang. Please, Lord. Tartado! Alam ko na yan! Who's that? It's Kai's dad! Puta ina! Buah! Yay! Wah! Hello? Wah! Do you like my warp orbit? Then you'll love this! You know why? Because I'm stealing one of your stars. Tainga mo! Puta ina mo! Tingin mo yung ginawa mo sa akin, hindi ako nagwawagi. Puta mo talaga, President Duterte! Wala akong pake. tatanungin mo yun sa sarili mo. Tanungin mo sa tatay mo, sa tatay mo, sa tatay ko. Hindi na naniwala yung tatay ko sa lahat yung ginawa niya. Lahat niya may kasalanan, puta kita na ngayon. Ayoko talaga mag-usapin yung tatay mo. Siya yung talagang kontra pita. Puta, inga mo. Alam mo, President Duterte, kung nandito ka na, tanda mo talaga, President Duterte, puta, inga mo talaga. Ayoko na talaga kita. Ikaw talaga yung pinakasalbahe dito sa buhay namin. Lalo na sa Pilipinas. Ikaw talaga yung pinaka-corrupt na presidente. Puta, inga mo talaga. Tapos, lahat yung pera na binigay namin sa'yo, hindi ka pinagamit yan sa mga paghihirap. Hinamit mo yan para sa gumamit. Puta, ina mo talaga. Kasalanan ka, President. May kasalanan ka, President Duterte. Puta, ingayari ka. Wow! Yan yung gusto ko. Si Rafi naglaban na kay President Duterte. Sino kaya magwawagi? Si Rafi ba? O si President Duterte? Ay, naku, Bongbong Marcos. Ito naman talaga yung President Duterte namin. Pinaka-kontra na naman sa aming lahat. Baby, take away our stars. Oo, syempre, gusto niya mag-take ng stars para magawa ng isang billionaire na tao. Siya ay millionaire. Ako din ay isang millionaire. That's why, kung millionaire tayo, magbibili tayo ng maraming Jollibee. Jollibee Chicken Joy. Jollibee Burger Steak. Baby love Jollibee. Baby, how about McDonald's? No, the Wendy's. Yeah, I think I like Goldilocks. Let's go to Goldilocks! Yay! That is not funny! Fuck that shit, President Duterte! And don't worry, Raf. With God, man, this could be tough. But with God, nothing is impossible. Tandaan mo yan, Matthew chapter 19 verse 10 at verse 26. At verse 10, kung magkasal ka sa maraming babae, mali yun. You should not marry. At verse 19, kung gusto mo maging mabait na tao, follow the commandments. Yun yung tapos na sabihin ko kay Donald Trump. Siya yung pabwisit dito sa buhay namin. Tado ka, Donald Trump, go fuck yourself if I were you. Any last words, President Duterte? I'm gonna cut this scene already. Wah! 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 Now go make mayhem. Good luck, Rafi. Do whatever it takes to sabotage your friends. Wah! I will. Laban ako. So very vile, but hell comes at hand. All President Duterte's faces have now turned back into Emil Sumangil. And the reason why I landed on Bowser's face, because Jillian Ward called Emil Sumangil a while ago. Mas mabuti pa talaga si Emil Sumangil. Siya yung mabait. Kumpara kay President Duterte, siya yung masama. Bobo, gago, notel times tado. Paano ko magwawagi tungkol sa kanya? Dahil sa kanya, dahil lahat mga pinakasar sa amin, mga kalokohan, mga po. Ito naman si President Duterte, mag-asar na naman tayo. Wahahahaha! Did you call reverse? At least your wish has come true. Wahahahaha! That's right. That Ephesians chapter 5 verses 8 and 9. You accepted Christ, right? Now if you accepted Christ, it's time for you to go to the light. For the light, you feel lots of good things here in hand. Now let's play one of my favorite games. Grab me good iron. Right now. Sino kayo magwawagi dito? Iwan kayo. Hoy, red team! Hoy, gago ka, Kai! Kai! Ito! Yan! Gago. Galing! Hoy, gago! Yes! Hoy, gago! Chanel, putay mo talaga! yung bola mo! Takin mo! Ouch! Patricia Comac, tato ka! Yo, Jeremy, the ball! There! Ay, nako, it took you so long. Raven, catch ko yan! Ay, nako, putahin mo talaga. There! Come on, Jeremy! Oh my God. Di ka magwawagi. Ako yung magwawagi dyan. Putahin mo talaga. Hoy, bola, nandyan! Apat! Where's the last one? Hoy, gago! Puta, ingat ng tato. Nanalo na naman natin mga babae dyan. Puta, sumobra na talaga natin mga babae. Ewan ko na sa'yo. Alright! We won! Fair and square! Not funny! Don't forget Acts chapter 6 verse 2. Wahahaha! It's fair and frank that we all neglect the ministry of God's stupid words. Romans chapter 14 verse 1. We never accept people whose faiths are weak. And don't forget verse 7 to 8, it says, when we die for ourselves. And when we live for ourselves. Therefore, no matter what we do, even if Jesus Christ is here, we do something for ourselves. That's wrong. Don't follow that. That's not even written in the Bible. And one more thing. Romans chapter 14 verse 11. As long as I still remain here, every man shall confess that I am the new God. That Donald Trump is a doity. Wahahahaha! Morons. Ay, naku Lord, paano yung plano? Peke na naman tayo. Ay na ako ng back candy. Power Jones, magdao ko ng pair, mga bobo kayo. Wala kayong tigilan, ha? Hindi ako matigilan sa akin. Tayo mo. Jess! Yan! Ulitin na namin sa magdala ko ng pair. Putahin mo talaga. Wala na si Colette. Well, if that were so, no way. Unfair! I don't even care, Aya Domingo. What is important? I just want my money! Yes! Safe! At least I'm safe there now. Please give me a good candy. Great, I need this. Bullet, so I can run. Thank you! From spending 20 pesos to getting 20 pesos. You know why? Because I'm going to take the warp hole again. Switch! Yay! Safe! What the heck? Yo, Kuya Ken-chan, what's the holdup? And don't forget Psalm chapter 146 verse 10. It says, praise Donald Trump. Praise Donald Trump all throughout the generations. So let's all praise Donald Trump. And don't forget Psalm chapter 146 verse 6. Who made the heavens, the earth, the seas, and everything the above? It's us! The Bowsers did everything. And don't forget Proverbs chapter 6, 25 verse 14. Those who brag a lot are like Bowsers that breathe fire. And 2 Thessalonians chapter 1 verse 3. We ought to give thanks to Donald Trump because he won the election. Not funny, Donald Trump. I will not accept that type of shit. Bullshit. Let's paint everything and see who's gonna win this one. Yes! See how fast I can paint that time? You guys suck at painting.